In today's video, we're testing two vacuums head to head. We're gonna get you all the information you need to know so you spend your money right, the nitty gritty details. But there's one major con that you don't wanna miss at the very end of this video that the winner does have, which might deter you to buy the one that we're actually recommending you not to buy. I went to Home Depot, got anxiety because I didn't know which vacuum to buy, and I left and came back and said he was laughing at me. He's like, you didn't buy anything. I'm like, dude, I found this video where these guys that are detailers are talking about a Crafstman XSP versus the famous 4-gallon Ridgid mobile vacuum setup. And then the most important thing of this is the auto detailing kit that Seti also picked up. Which one do you think you're gonna like, Seti?
I'm hoping the Ridgid.
Because it looks the same or what?
Yeah, little aesthetics going on, but not having wheels on this puppy might be a game changer. So I guess we'll figure it out.
Today's video is to help you decide what is the best vacuum you should buy for detailing at your house. We are not detailers. We do some work for a company who sells detail supplies, Superior Image, so we have quite a bit of knowledge, but we're not doing it every day, we're not practicing every day, but we do have opinions and we want to share that with you, what we prefer at our garage. We're gonna unbox, use them, and see what we think.
I am biased about the Ridgid one because they make the detailing kit. Craftsman taking an L there.
5 horsepower, 5.5. Wheels, no wheels. Looks a little more portable. What do you think is gonna be the move?
I would take the wheels. Looks a lot more maneuverable for sure.
So you're basing it strictly off just function of the wheels.
For sure.
You would pick that over a better suction?
Yeah.
Interesting.
That 5 horsepower is realistically like 2 because you really can't get 5 horse out of 120 volts. 5 horse is more of like a 220 thing. Kind of a marketing catch right there that they get you on.
That throws some flags in the electrical part of your brain.
It does.
This is a very special car right here with an interesting story. This is a turbo FRS. A lot of parts on the way, and we're giving it away. Our team, commercespeed.com. Get entered to win right now. Click the link down below. Be part of the community. Follow us on Instagram. Go purchase something, and we might be giving you a call and say, hey, you just want a turbo FRS, and we're delivering it to your house like we did Andrew. Don't miss out. commercespeed.com down below. That's the best way to support us, and you might get the car in the process. I did see a dude do a test and said that this one pulled a lot more power. I don't know, Ridgid. It's a little sus. What if it's not even close to 5 horsepower, but what if this is close to it, and this is why this one's so much better? Because the suction is crazy. That's what I'm trying to figure out. That's what I was thinking about when I panicked in Home Depot and came home.
I'm unlocked.
Yeah. I got my own YouTube channel. I don't get enough attention.
No, the excuses come now.
Handle. Exhaust filter. I don't see how this would be good for anything with cars. It's too big. This is like hard. It would be okay. You got a lot of surface area with like a... I'm curious if these are actually good, or are these only good when you're at a car wash and you're desperate and they have this and you're like, I think this is great. And then like you use it at home, you're like, this is awful. Like, are these worth anything? Bam. Oh, sweet. Sound check. It sounds really nice. It's got a nice exhaust note to it. This thing rips. I've had nothing but bad vacuums my entire life, so I feel like either of these is gonna feel awesome. There we go. Alright, so we got... Oh, it holds it good right there. That's nice. I love that. Ooh, hit it twice. You just got done with your job. You're about to pick it up.
A little bit of weight, but it's not bad.
It's pretty light. I don't think it's that heavy. I don't think it's uncomfortable at all. Cable management is a big part of this, so we're gonna see how these little arms do. These like fold out.
2 attachments. What are you gonna do with these?
Good question.
Oh baby, this thing got 3 extendos. You're getting everywhere with that baby.
Ridgid, what you got for us? We got a pocket back here.
Got some nice wobbly hosage.
What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Paper nozzle, filter, 2 nozzles, simple. Got a cup holder right here. Just kidding. This thing looks pretty decent. Oh, I like that. I do like the threads actually over that. Because you can, no matter how hard this gets yanked on, it's not gonna break when it's threads, but this could break over time. Let's do a noise check on this one.
I think I can feel a little bit of extra power from the Crafstman.
The way this exhaust setup is, that's definitely quieter.
Maybe that's what the little muffle is for, so it gives it some quietness.
Do you value that?
Not really, just because it's a vacuum and it's gonna be loud regardless.
I'm stoked on how quiet that one is.
Yeah.
I'm an old man. Noise? I feel like that one's more refined just because it has that exhaust piece on there, but they both sound nice and they're sucking a huge amount of air, so that's nice. As far as like, what do you do with the hose though? Ooh, another Craftsman thing maybe. But when you have the detailing kit we're about to open next, it might just all go out the window.
Is that what that's for?
No, I don't think so. All right, so what do we do with the cable is the question. Craftsman is taking the dub on my end over here big time right now. This feels a little bit heavier. I do like the wheels though, that is nice. Now for the fun part.
All right, little detailing kit.
This says something about Craftsman right here. Ridgid, sorry. Ridgid is thinking about the customers. This is the part I'm excited for. Bendy.
This is like a super rough bristle, and this one's like a leather bristle.
Feels pretty solid looking too.
I like that little rubber grip on it.
Is that the sound it makes?
It's pretty close. This detailing kit's definitely a money maker. Now that we have the detailing kit, if we don't use the Ridgid, we can't use it on the Craftsman.
The catch is we can. So why the Ridgid kit alone is worth buying is because you need to have a long hose when you're doing auto detailing so you can get in the whole car in a lot more areas. So we're getting a longer hose and you're getting this guy right here, and then I think every now and then you're going to use these other attachments for sure. But let's pull the Craftsman back up to see if I'm right or wrong on my assumptions. Oof, that's snug on there.
That's juicy.
So now we have a really long hose. Time for the test.
Ridgid's definitely lighter, but this has a lot more on it and a little bit bigger capacity, so tough decision.
Nothing on it, a lot of stuff on it. This is a little lighter, but this is a little more comfy. Little pickup test, I'm going Craftsman because the position of the handle being at the very top just is a little more comfortable. All right, the vacuum test. We're gonna do half and half. No floor mats allowed. There's a lot of junk on this. This is the perfect vehicle to test this on. No rubber, only carpet. We're gonna go right down the middle. I'm gonna go get some tape and we'll do the Ridgid on the left, Craftsman on the right, and just see kind of what we feel.
Little update. If you haven't seen this on Cam's channel, just got some carbon goodies. Go check it out.
First up, on the left side, we've got the Ridgid. We've got, of course, our detailing hose, and I'm gonna do a pass with this guy, and then one with our nice crevice guy. There we go. Suck that up, no problem. All right, time to switch the fun one. Oh, the bendy is nice. Can you do this? That was way too easy. I love when you have proper equipment. I love nice things, and this is really, really nice, and that worked really, really well. Carpet is from an 04 Silverado, so it's not gonna look awesome, but for vacuuming it, that's pretty dang good. So let's do the Craftsman on this side and see if we have any thoughts. You can feel that. carpet up. Oh my. Oh. Hey. Fun part.
I like that bendability.
Dude, this thing is awesome. And the hose being long is nice. So if this ever gets a sharp tip on it, you just take a piece of sandpaper, just saw it off so it's smooth. So if you're detailing exotics or nice people's cars, you don't scratch plastic. Keeping this smooth, keep some sandpaper maybe around. This is brand new, so we don't gotta worry about it. Just a little tip I saw from detailers out there on YouTube. We're gonna let Seti firsthand make an imaginary line, use the Crafstman and the Ridgid, see what he thinks on the passenger side. Here's our before. We're gonna let him do the rubber and then the carpet. This actually looks a little better for you over here. What are you doing first? Which one are you going for?
I think I'm gonna do the Ridgid first, honestly.
Yeah. The cable's not as long on the Ridgid, and that's causing some problems right now. Come here, doggy.
Not very effective.
Is it just me, or is dirty floors like the quickest way to make a car look terrible on the inside? Things can be dusty, but if your floor is gross, I'd rather walk. Ridgid o'clock.
So it's definitely enough sucking power regardless. The Craftsman might even be a little bit too much power when you have something like rubber floor mats. The Ridgid one was already getting pretty stuck on it, so we'll see how that Craftsman do, baby.
Craftsman.
Woo! Passes that rubber test, not a problem. Doesn't suction too much. I really think the Craftsman might be a little quieter too.
I like that part about it. It definitely is.
I do like that rubber.
Bendy?
Oh, yeah.
Thing gets it, dude. Come get all this, like right here. Like it's so nice. You're like all the way up here. Headphone users.
When I do this, see the hose?
Oh, it's like shuddering.
It's got so much power, it's like, let me go! That bending really was a game changer.
We got some Chihuahua hair right here. What do we got? Dude, that's legit.
Bye-bye Chihuahua hair. I do like how big the button on that Craftsman is too.
Yeah.
The Ridgid one's so tiny and like annoying. Craftsman just whoop, easy on and off. I think that's a clear winner.
Yeah, all day. Keep in mind, we're putting these things head to head. This is stuff that Seti and I both probably would never complain about. We would just use it and be done with it, get the job done, and they'd both work great. We wanted to see which one should you spend your money on. We want to find out all the details. The Craftsman has won us over completely. The detailing kit is amazing from Ridgid, but pair them together, match made in heaven.
Well, mishap might happen.
Oh, we're going with the Ridgid. Seti just took a moment to appreciate a final packed up kit, minus the longer hose and all that. You could have a little bin or something, but as far as just the vacuum goes, look at that. He's ready to rock. He's got a free hand to carry the rest of this stuff. The very last con we wanted to tell you about. We love the XSP, but it does have a downfall 3-year warranty. Ridgid over there, lifetime warranty. I've seen comments everywhere talking about how, hey, I had it 4 years in and I got it replaced. I just sent them an email or called them and they took care of it and they were super awesome. So I'm the type of person where I don't think we're gonna use it enough to really break it. And if we did, I like having the superior product. So I'm still gonna go down Craftsman route. Seti, would you still get a Craftsman knowing it's less of a warranty?
100%. If the vacuum is gonna go out, it's gonna go out within those 3 years, you know.
If you're an enthusiast user like us, day in and day out, the Ridgid might give you that peace of mind and it's part of your gear. Comment down below, what do you think about that part? We're taking the winner to its new home. Got something funny for you. We are going to return this and get the Ridgid one, which we didn't prefer using, but said he was out vacuuming his buddy's car and it just stopped working, totally burned up. It does not work. You plug it into the wall, turn it on, nothing happens. Gonna return it into Lowe's and go grab the Ridgid. The Ridgid works good. It's a nice deal and lifetime warranty, and I know it's not gonna give us problems in the heat. We've had Ridgid vacuums in the past, so Ridgid wins. We'll have links in the description. Here we go again. coming home with me. This is a no-brainer, Craftsman, for us. The hose rack is better. The suction is noticeably stronger to the point where it's pulling the carpet off the ground. I like the sound of it better, honestly.
But that one does have a little bigger capacity as well.
Yeah, bigger capacity. It does use more power, so if you have an inverter or generator, keep that in mind. This thing is awesome. There is a Amazon version of the Craftsman, and in the description, you will see the link to the identical Amazon version that's black and yellow, and the detailing kit from Ridgid. If you guys want to check the links down below, that supports the KarmaSpeed channel, our team. We're giving away a Turbo FRS like we mentioned earlier in the video, so go to the karmaspeed.com website, get entered to win. We'll see you there.
If you guys want to see how to install our window banner, we just restocked these. Go ahead and click that video right here, and we'll see you there.